Hello, I'm Hannah from rijo42 and today I'm going to show you how to make a latte macchiato using our new coffee machine, the R1. So first of all, we're going to get our espresso. So we want to grind the coffee. Okay, once that's done, just want to tap it on the side of your hand. Get your tamper and firmly press down, spin and wipe. We're then going to lock it onto the coffee machine. Grab 2 glasses, pop them under the spout and click the double espresso button. Okay, so once that's pouring, we're then going to get our milk and we're going to use the auto steamer and we're going to click the latte button. Okay, so once your milk's done, it will automatically stop. So then you want to remove your jug carefully and give your steam one a quick wipe and a purge. Okay, so after that you want to get a latte glass. We're then going to get our milk, give it a quick bang and swirl. And we're going to pour it from a height. Okay. Once that's done, we're going to get both our espresso shots and pour them in. Okay, and there you have a latte macchiato.